Baby, oh. Good boy naman. Siyang pogi, oh. Good boy ni Isha na.
Hey, did you get that blow drying spray from its friend? Yes. Oh, I love it.
Yes!
I couldn't carry it out here. Sam took me in my car.
Hi!
Because these were my personal products that I sent my before. And I heard my kid. It's alright. Look at it.
Wala pang 1 year, no?
Ay, kaka-turn 1 year niya lang.
Talaga?
Oh, wag ka lang, baby. Nangangati ka na? Oh, sandali lang. Sandali lang. Sandali na lang matapos na, oh. Oo, hindi. Naiinis ka na, oh. Oh. Hawak mo to, dali. Hawak mo to, toy mo, dali. Oh, iinis na. Sandali na lang, be. Shh. Almost done na, oh. Oh, bait-bait mo kanina, eh. Almost done na, oh. Ang sarap, ano? Oh.
Maybe above the ear, yeah?
Yeah, that's gonna be cut.
Yeah.
Taga-saan kayo?
Sa, ano ko, sa Pasay.
Ano Pasay?
Sa may FB Harrison.
Ranyaki ako.
Ito, hindi to marunong mag-Tagalog. Sa Hawaii. Taga-Hawaii to, eh.
I can tell his accent. Because I live in Hawaii 15 years.
Oh,
Before
where?
I moved here. Honolulu.
Oh, I'm from Mililani.
Mililani?
Yeah.
Tapos na, baby, palapit
You
na.
live in Manoa?
Oh.
Give me your keys.
By University?
Asan yung keys? Give me your keys. Oh, baby, oh.
We move out because it's so expensive
Yeah.
already.
I know, naiinis na ang baby. Oh.
She haven't been there. I'm gonna take her to visit.
My son went back 2004 for after high school.
Wow, pogi na, oh. Mukha ng boy, oh. Oo, sandali na lang, be.
I'll give him the phone.
Lapit na, oh. Malapit na. Oo. Ayan, bigay mo yung phone mo. Oh. Put the game on. Put the game on.
Oh, yeah, put it in.
Malapit na, be. Malapit na. Oh, pogi, oh. Oh, para ng boy yan, oh. Oh, you look like a boy now, not a girl. Oh. Oh, pogi, oh. Lapit na, oh. Oh. Oh.
What you gain?
Lapit na, be. Laglag ka, ah. Almost. Oh. I know, almost done.
Almost. Look, your hair looks nice.
Oh, it looks pretty. Oh.
I need you to stand up and just hold his hand, okay? Because we're gonna be right here. Going to come here. Yes. Hold his hand, okay?
Oh, iinis na.